Look at my okra. The okra flowers are blooming. Look how pretty they are. Okay, come on, okra. Time to grow a lot of okra. Beautiful. Have another onion. Was sitting on top of the ground. I just pulled it up. It said it was ready to come out of this soil. I think I see another one right here. Look at that. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, it was ready too. It's smaller, but it said I'm ready to come out of the soil. They just be sitting on top of the dirt saying, I'm ready. Harvest me. Okay. I have a few more in here. And I'm gonna come back later. One right there. And I'm tying up my tomato plants on the stake and got them up here on this PVC pipe so they won't be hanging down. They can grow on up the string here. Okay. Come on, tomato plants. These are my Roma tomatoes. Had one I saw on here was growing, but something ended up attacked it and it was eating, got some holes in it, so I had to throw that one away. But I see a few little blooms still coming on here. Come on, tomato plant. Grow a lot of tomatoes. And some more right there. See some more blooms. Come on. Look over here at my watermelon patch. Got a lot of the leaves growing on them. See a lot of blooms, but I don't see the full watermelon coming up yet. Look at that one. That goes one right there. Okay. Come on, watermelon. Let's see. Got them growing over here where my cantaloupes are. I'm hoping that I can get me some watermelons this season. This is the third try at them. So I'm hoping I'll be able to get me some watermelons this season. I also bought me a pomegranate tree. I hope I'll be able to get me some pomegranates on it. If not this season, next season. Just got this from the big box store. It just said pomegranate gardener's choice. I don't know what kind of pomegranate it is. If anybody knows, please let me know which one I'm growing. I'm gonna keep it in this big pot and later plant it down in the ground. Boy, I sure wish I could get my lemon tree to grow like Led's lemon tree. Most of the time I end up getting no more than maybe 5 on the whole lemon tree. And now it looks like I got 3 that's growing right there together. Okay, lemon. Come on, lemon tree. Give me an abundance of lemons. Grow, grow. Okay, my harvest for today, a cucumber and 2 onions. Yay. Now I'm gonna go and cure these 2 onions for a week and then put them in my storage area where my other onions and my garlic have finished curing, and set them in my storage bin until I'm ready to use them. Looking good. Set my onions on my rack here so they can cure and get hard. And then I put them in my storage bin until I'm ready to eat these onions. I'm gonna chop them up and freeze them. Look, I have some zinnias that pop back up. Y'all looking beautiful. Look at you. Okay, zinnias. Grow me a lot of beautiful zinnias this season.